In a world driven by data, innovation is the key to success. And at WAi, we are not just embracing innovation, we are leading the charge. The AI features integrated into our Power Apps and Power BI solutions like predictive analytics and personalized user experiences empower our solutions to adapt and evolve with your needs. One of the most prevalent challenges is data chaos. Your disorganized and disparate data sources that lead to confusion and inefficiency. Sounds familiar, right? Take a look at some of our visually stunning Power BI dashboards that provide a clear real-time snapshot of your business's performance. Data is more than just numbers. It's a gold mine of insights waiting to be unearthed, only if you leverage it by making it more meaningful. Our team will help you uncover valuable insights that drive informed decision-making and fuel business growth. With our expertise in data analysis and visualization, we transform raw data into actionable intelligence, empowering you to stay ahead of the competition. Our expert certified team of Power BI developers helps you to harness the full potential of Power BI and build comprehensive Power Apps and Power BI solutions that extract and transform raw data into actionable insights. The Power Apps that we have built for our customers is loved by our users and businesses alike. Take for instance this IT asset management application. This Power App has intuitive dashboards, comprehensive reports, and seamless workflows for ticket generation. It streamlines your IT operations, ensuring efficiency and accountability at every step. Whether you're tracking assets, managing inventory, or resolving issues, our application provides the tools you need to succeed. Our Power Apps are designed with one goal in mind: to provide unparalleled value to your business and deliver results that exceed expectations. We don't just deliver solutions, we add value through education, enabling you to thrive in an ever-evolving digital landscape. Transform your business with confidence. Reach out to us and let us build great things together.